If you want to clean up your Microsoft Edge start page and remove a shortcut you no longer need, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Removing shortcuts is a great way to keep your browser homepage neat, organized, and focused on the sites you actually use. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the new tab page or the home page where your shortcuts are displayed. You should see the shortcut tiles that appear under the search bar. Now move your mouse over the shortcut you want to remove. As soon as you hover over it, a 3-dot menu will appear on the shortcut tile. Click those 3 dots to open the options menu. In that menu, you'll see an option that says Remove. Click Remove and Edge will instantly delete that shortcut from your page. That's it. The shortcut is now gone and your Edge homepage should look a little cleaner already. If you ever want to add it back later, you can always visit the site again and create a new shortcut. This is a simple but useful way to keep your browser organized and remove links you don't need cluttering up your screen. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.